Hi guys! Happy Sunday! So today guys, I'm here in Valencia. So before I go into my province guys, I buy the bread. So let's go in the inside. I buy the bread guys. Here guys, I buy the bread here in Valencia. A lot indoors guys. People sitting their side or buying the food for snack, so sitting here. So I walk. So a lot of people.
Balik ko na mapin.
People buying the food and eating guys.
Tagadlaw kay every week.
Oh, so cute the doggy, oh. So cute. A lot of people today. For salted food, it's a lot. And barbecue. Barbecue. Because I think it's church day. Where's Risa? How to find a lot of people. That's a lot of people.
Bye.
Now guys, I will go to my sister in the highway. She's waiting with her because here in Valencia is so crowded. So she didn't have find a parking space. So that's why she's waiting me in the outside. Here the dog is cute. Very cute dog. A lot of vendors here. Just walk, going to the highway. For warming their side. Traffic. As the traffic, Valencia is very famous. Especially Sunday guys, a lot of people here. sitting like a boy. Look guys, super crowded parking. And another side is Rita driving like a boy. Crowded. There's the old red flower. No more vendors here. Ayaw ba itong Chopre Res?
Hindi, naiyak mo rin siya. Kung pinta
Sana balik ka?
wala, kung kita mo na pinto.
Kita ka ng murag payong. Wala kay Chopre.
Kaya ako dito siya sa paman.
Yeah. There's my brother guys selling the egg. Pipi.
Patungo na niya, panasya timihan.
Yeah.
Hindi nila sa dito tubangan.
Hindi sa pwede dito iba. Ano siya?
Kasi una dito siya.
Oh, first time. Hindi sa pwede dito. Siyaan siya. Siyaan.
May itlog dito dapit. Asang kumagi?
Yun daw. Oh.
Re?
Continue ka.
Ay, dan.
So yes guys, you don't know how to, what's the meaning of the light. Red is stop and green is go. That's why me, I don't like for the stoplight.
Bago din, di ba?
You need to wait for the light. For driving is going through the shuttle guys. So they have the green, that is booking the Punta ka ng green, pwede nakamulak ko ng labang. Diba?
Mabray butangan ni rin.
Anong red, stop na. Kanag-go na. Pwede naman siya.
Musunod, rata.
Sunog lang.
Ito, pinalingani.
So another stop line. The second. So parang maglibo ang saan. Maglibo ang mga tao. Yes, I don't like the stoplight to.
Yun na ka, mga lalaki.
Ay, unang god. Alam mo sa tanang bukan ka, di ba?
Lagi ang lalaki.
Ay, sunod, gusto ko ang stoplight. Hindi ka mo follow. Yes, I don't like follow for the stoplight. If the train, that's the go.
Wala, ito kabukin yan? Ha? Wala, ito kabukin yan?
So that's it guys. So I continue and shuttle for video guys. Guys, stoplight again for the third. Reza is mad. He said, waste the time. She don't like the stoplight.
Wala nga mangyayari.
But stoplight is safety, Reza. Safety.
Pero pag wala na 1 million.
Safety because their side and their side. Waiting for the green. There you go. It's the green. Wait to follow. Wait to go. Just a moment. Good rush. Napaka-license. Here guys, I'm stopped here in Chatham. I'm eating. Hello. My food guys. Before I go to the and my church with this, I